You want to know what I find crazy? So many people think you need so much money, so much effort, so much energy, so many different ingredients to launch a beauty brand. So many people believe that this is not a product or a business that they can start from home. They believe that this is something that only the big companies can do. And the truth is, this is not true. You see, I was able to do $100,000 in 6 months following these simple steps, taking concepts and ideas and product just ingenuity, and I wrap it into something. And I want to show you guys a quick breakdown. I want to show you guys simple steps. I want to show you guys a simple product that you can make from home, something that you can bring to the market, something that has mass appeal and can sell for $74 a bottle. Now, in a product like this, in a formulation like this, just imagine you making a bottle, making a product, and selling a 1 ounce bottle like this from home, from the comfort of your living room, and being able to walk out your job, being able to take care of your family, being able to do so much more. And that's the truth for this industry. This beauty industry is one that I would call recession proof. This beauty industry is one that I would say can have a low cost of entry and high profit margins. Let's take this recipe I'm going to go over today, right? You can literally buy $500 worth of ingredients and launch this brand. You can buy products and you can start a business and you can make money with simple things like this. And this is where I think so many of us get lost. This is why I think so many of us get confused. But I want to show you. I want to just show you not just the ingredients and not just what to do, but how to tie it all together and build that brand. Now, what we have here is a formulation or a recipe that I put together last night. And this is going to be our blueberry crush oil. Feel free to change the name. Feel free to do whatever you want with it. But I want to just show you the concept of this, the breakdown and how this works. Now, this recipe is a simple one. It's 5 ingredients. Well, 7 if you count your preservative and antioxidant, your vitamin E. But this is a simple 5 main ingredient recipe. It's designed as a facial oil that's going to hydrate, renew, and put that glow to your skin. It's something you can make at home. It's something that you don't have to worry about mixing water with stuff or having a product that's too greasy. It works for all skin types, and one batch of this, one 5-gallon bucket of this can turn into serious profits. Now, let me show you what I mean by this. This oil is, first of all, best used fresh after washing your face. I always recommend cleanse your skin, do this, do that. And an oil like this is perfect for that. So after you wash your face, I want you to put this product on, a few drips or a few drops between your fingers, rub it on, and that oil seeps so silky and smoothly into the skin because we're using lightweight carrier oils. We're using stuff that absorbs fast right into the skin, melts away. It's going to help with the glow. It's going to help with the texture. It's going to help with just making you look better. Now, let me break down this formulation and what's inside. Now, this is going to be for a 5-gallon batch. 5-gallon. Everybody here hopefully knows what that is. That's that 5-gallon bucket. That's how bucket you could go to Home Depots or Lowe's and you could buy for the low. You could do all kind of stuff with that, right? But 5 gallons is the perfect number to show you the profits. And at the end of the day, we're going to put this into 1-ounce bottles just like this. Simple bottles that don't cost a lot. Matter of fact, you could try perfumeoils.com. You could buy your bottle filler from Amazon. But this 5-gallon batch, this 5-gallon bucket is going to make us 640 1-ounce bottles. So I want you to think about this. You spent some money. You bought some oils, 5 different oils. You poured them into a 5-gallon bucket. You filled up 640 of these bottles in order to start your business. That is essentially what we're doing. And when we look at our formulations, when we look at our batch, when we look at what we're adding in, we're adding grapeseed oil in it. 35% or 233 ounces. This is going to be our lightweight carry oil. Camellia seed. This is going to give us that smooth, silky feel across our skin. And we want to add 20% of our overall recipe or 133 ounces. This is something simple to use, right? What about jojoba oil, as some of you guys call it? Jojoba oil. 20% of that, 133 ounces. Look at me. Jojoba oil is a wax ether, so it matches our skin's natural oil consistency, and it can help to regulate the oils that we produce. And for our star ingredient, or one of our star ingredients, let's go with blueberry seed oil. 10% of the overall recipe, so 5 gallons of this, we're only using 66 ounces of our blueberry seed oil. This is an amazing antioxidant. This is an amazing glow booster. This is going to be the hero ingredient. This is going to be the name that sets us apart for so many others. I want you to think about this. When last have you used a oil? When last have you bought a product that had blueberry seed in it? And when you think about the oil and you think about the consistency and you think about the color, that unrefined natural blueberry oil is such a pretty color of blue, amazing shade. So it's going to stand out in the bottle. Following that, let's add in 10% of black currant seed oil. This is going to really keep our skin looking good. It supports the skin barrier. It takes it to that next level. And just like our blueberry seed oil, we're going to go at 10% of our overall recipe, or 66.7 ounces. This is a simple oil to add in, a simple ingredient. Now, this is where I say these are the extra ingredients that we add. We're going to add our vitamin E at 0.5% or 3.3 ounces. This is going to be our antioxidant. This keeps the oils from going rancid. Now, keeping an oil from going rancid and preserving it and making sure bacteria doesn't grow are two different things. And I know a lot of people are going to tell you, oh, but you only just need an antioxidant in a recipe like this. But when we're bringing a product to market, when we're taking a formulation from nothing and turning it into something, when we have a product that we sell to our customers, I will always tell you, add your antioxidant and add your preservative. Right? Now, preservative wise, we're going to go with 1.2% or 8 ounces. This is just going to be something that we do add in to make sure that nothing is floating, nothing is growing, and this is a healthy product. I know everybody wants to scream, but it's an oil product, David. Why would I need to add a preservative? This product doesn't need it. But the truth of the matter is that most of your customers are going to leave this oil in their bathroom. The truth is that when they take a shower, that steam, that moisture, that water might enter that bottle. The truth is that they might touch their nasty skin with our product. And so if they're doing that, if that is what's going on, then we need to always make sure that we add a preservative. Listen, this isn't no crazy recipe. This isn't something you can't do. This isn't something that's outside your reach or outside your bounds. This is a simple, easy breakdown. When we look at how hard it is to make it, or we look at the reason why we pieced together a recipe like this, is because it's simple, concise, and something that can literally make you money from your living room. Think about this. Grapeseed oil is super lightweight. This is the reason why this oil absorbs fastly or quickly into the skin. The Japanese camellia seed oil, this is the skincare secret that's been going around for years. Gives you that silky, almost gliding application and feel to the oil. Jojoba oil, it's the wax, right? It mirrors our skin's natural oil, which is why it works so amazing. Your blueberry seed, the namesake, the hero. This is the Superman. This is the weightlifter of our formulation. Rich in antioxidants. It's going to give that skin that natural glow. It's going to make it stand out. It's going to help to heal the natural stressors that apply to our skin. And then when we look at the black currant, which, by the way, if you don't want to go blueberry seed, go black currant as your star ingredient, or go both. These are both ingredients that really work well, because black currant is really rich in fatty acids, right? It's going to rebuild the skin, help to reinforce it. It's going to add that moisture to it. And then when we follow it up with our rosemary, our antioxidant to keep the shelf life stable, our rosemary extract, this is going to boost the vitamin E in it to make it last longer. And our preservative, we have the perfect product, and we use 8 ingredients in total. 5 of them cost, because those are our carrier oils. A recipe like this is simple. A recipe like this is something that you can make at home. You could bottle up. And let me show you the best part, and that's going to be the profit margins, right? And in terms of making it, it doesn't get no easier. When we make a product like this, I want you to get your 5-gallon bucket or large container. I want you to sanitize it. You can go on Amazon and buy sterilization tabs. You could go to the liquor store, but you could go buy some Everclear. You could sanitize everything. Wipe it down, put your gloves on, pop the tops, and pour the oils in. Now, once they're all in, I want you to take your stainless steel mixing spoon, and I want you to mix it till it's evenly blended. At that point, add in your vitamin E, your preservative, and you have a full product. Let me run this back, because somebody in the back didn't understand what I said. What I said is, you take this oil, you pour it all into a large container, you stir it up, add in your vitamin E, your preservative, stir it up some more, and you have a product. Now, if that's too hard, I don't know what to tell you. If that's too hard, you probably mess up making toast, or you overboil your eggs. This is simple. This is easy. This is a product that you can make in less than 15 minutes, and you can make money with. It doesn't take no home lab setup. It doesn't require a whole lot of equipment. It doesn't require hardly nothing yet. The profit margins is where it gets great. Think about this. I could sell a 1 ounce bottle of this all day long for $74.99. Yet that one bottle costs me $1.76 to make, meaning every time you give me $1.76, I give you back $73.23. That's that profit margin. Or bringing home a $73 payday every time we spend $1.76 to make. And I know what you're saying, but no, that can't be real. Listen, bottles with caps, $1 from my supplier. You get 1,000 store quality labels like these for $100. In terms of cost of ingredients, it's 76 cents. I'm trying to tell you guys something, but I don't think you're getting it. I'm trying to tell you something, but I don't think you understand. Making a product like this is simple. Bringing a product like this to the market is easy. Make your packaging look good. Make a high quality, luxury feeling brand. Take these ideas, these concepts, and watch it grow. Watch you make money. Watch what you're able to do. There's not a lot of industries or not a lot of businesses that you can spend $1.76 in order for you to make a $74 profit margin. Think about that. And let me show you where it even gets better. And I always say this, profit margins matter. And if you could get a 97.6 profit margin from a product that you can make at home, a 97.6 profit margin from an easy product that you can whip up in your kitchen, that you can have your children label in the bottles as you fill them, that you can have your family as your employees while you launch this from the comfort of your living room, is wild. Think about it. We spent $1.76. We made $73 off of that. One 5-gallon bucket of oil turns into a $46,000 profit margin. When I say that the beauty industry is unmatched, I mean it. When I say that there's opportunities to make money, I mean it. When I say you could take this to the next level, I mean it. And here's where it even gets crazier. Let's say we only wanted to make 100 bottles. That's not even a full gallon. 100 bottles will make you a profit margin of $7,300. If I said, let's make 250 bottles, a little over a gallon and a half, we're going to bring home a $18,000 profit margin. Come on, tell me at what point you're able to walk out that job. Tell me at what number is it that you're making every single month from a one product for your brand that you started from home that buys you your freedom, that allows you to create your legacy. Is that 500 bottles where you made a $37,000 profit margin? Or is it 640 where you made a $46,000 profit margin? Keep in mind, 640 is our 5-gallon, right? You made $46,866 off a 5-gallon bucket. We could step it up to 1,000 bottles, $74,000 profits. 2,000 bottles, $149 worth of money in profits, or 10,746. These are simple. These are easy. These are products that you can make. These are products that you can bring to the market. These are products that you can literally launch and from the comfort of your home. These don't take a lot. It's not a high blend of ingredients. It's not a lot of mixing. This is a product that you can start in 30 minutes and you can make money with. You see, too many times we don't understand what we're capable of. Too many times we don't understand what it takes to launch this business. Too many times we don't understand the little things that move the needle. I want you guys to move that needle. I want you guys to look at these products. I want you guys to understand what is at stake and what is possible. I want you guys to understand how we can build this brand up and how we can take it to that next level and what we can do in order not to just feed our family, but to create that legacy that we are in so much need of. Listen, we're living in a time of wars and rumors of wars. We're living in a time where your job is insecure, where the government's not paying you despite that government job you were told to get. We're living in a time where you can launch a business from the comfort of your living room and you can make money. You can use tools like Instagram and TikTok Shop or even Pinterest Marketplace in order to make money from your cell phone. Yet we spend our time doing the wrong things. Yet we spend our time on everything else. Yet we spend our time dragging our feet and playing these games. I want you to launch this business. I want you to go to the next level. I want you to make money. I want you to realize what's possible. I want you to step outside that shell and build something great. A business like this is within your grasp. A business like this was in your reach. And listen, I want to help you. I want to carry you when you get overwhelmed. I want to show you step by step exactly how to launch this product, exactly what it takes to make money, exactly what it takes in order to do so much more. I want you to be able to sit back and say, listen, I bet on myself. My mentor showed me the way. I followed that blueprint. And by following that blueprint, I was able to make money. By following that blueprint, I was able to feed my family. By following that blueprint, I was able to get out of debt. By following that blueprint, my business was able to grow. It doesn't take a lot. It doesn't take much, but it takes you to show up. It takes you to have that idea and that plan. It takes you to understand that everything that you want is on the other side of fear, that everything that you want is on the other side of the games, or that everything that you want is there. But you have to reach out and take it. I could show you a million recipes like this, but if you never use it, if you never do anything, what are you doing? If you're never sitting back and deciding that you're ready to step outside that mold, that box that you've been sitting in for so long, then what are you doing? Listen, I want to help you launch this business. I want to walk you through and help you create your formulations. I want to watch when you make your first set of sales. I want to show you how to get influencers to promote your products. I want to see you do 100,000 in 6 months like I have done, like Ben has done, like Rashid has done, like April has done, like Samantha has done, like so many of my other students have done. I want to see you do that. Listen, if you want help, hit the link in the description. I'm going to step in and I'm going to walk you through the process. I'm willing to sit down on a call and guide you through the process of launching this business, of showing you the steps that it takes to require to take this idea to concept to a product in hand. Listen, I look forward to working with you. I look forward to talking with you. Have a blessed day, a blessed week. And listen, for real, if you have any questions or anything that you need, let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to stop. I'm going to take time out my day and I'm going to help you get to that next level.